Food becomes medicine the moment you choose it consciously. Today, I'm offering some tools you can use to help transform your health. In this video, we're bringing everything down to earth, onto your actual plate. I'm going to show you how simple, everyday choices can shift your energy, your clarity, and your long-term health without dieting, without stress, and without restriction. But before we get to the tools, let's start with a major awareness tip. A helpful starting point is something I call the SOS trio: salt, oil, and sugar. These three ingredients show up in almost everything we eat. And while our bodies do need some of them, too much can quietly drain your energy and create inflammation. This is not about eliminating them, it's about becoming mindful. You see, I don't believe in rigid counting, but when it comes to this trio, I like to say, count the amount. Just be aware. Awareness puts you back in the driver's seat. And that leads to something important: moderation. Healthy eating isn't about labeling food as good or bad. Those are just judgments. It's simply about noticing what supports you and what does not. Mindfulness turns any meal, even a treat, into nourishment because you're choosing it consciously, not emotionally, and not out of habit. And that's powerful. Hey, I just want to pause here for a moment. If this message is resonating with you, I invite you to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss future conversations like this. All right, let's get back to the video. Imagine your plate divided into three simple sections: half filled with colorful vegetables and greens, 1/4 clean proteins, beans, fish, lentils, tofu, 1/4 healthy carbs or healthy fats. Could be quinoa, sweet potato, avocado, or a drizzle of high quality oil. No counting, no measuring, just a visual guide to keep meals balanced and stress free. Tool number 2: habit stacking. See, if you want to improve your eating habits, link a new behavior to something you already do. For example, after I brush my teeth, I drink a glass of water. After you start the coffee pot, you can prepare a smoothie. uh, Small actions, paired with your existing routine, they create consistency without effort. And your brain loves patterns. Give it one that supports you. Tool number 3: the food and energy journal. This one is powerful. This journal has nothing to do with calories. It's all about awareness. Simply write down what you ate. 1 or 2 words describing your energy an hour later. Words like clear or tired or focused or heavy. And within a few days, you're going to notice a pattern and you'll see exactly what foods fuel you and which ones quietly drain your energy. That awareness alone becomes medicine. Now, tool number 4: it's just a reminder about hydration. You see, water supports digestion, circulation, and energy because, after all, we are about 70 to 75% water, just like the planet. And that's not a coincidence. A simple practice we can do is drink 1 glass of water about 15 minutes before meals. because then it prepares your body to digest and it keeps everything flowing smoothly. Lastly, this big tip is to start small. Because small changes yield big results. You don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Start with one small shift. Add one extra serving of vegetables at dinner. Replace one sugary drink with water. Swap one processed snack for something alive and natural. You see, these tiny steps compound into powerful change. And when you feel better, over time, you're going to naturally begin making better choices. These tools aren't about restriction. They're about freedom. The freedom that comes from knowing what supports your body and what uplifts your energy. That's why it's important to remember that food becomes medicine when it's chosen with awareness. Now, these are not rules to follow. They're tools you can return to any day, any meal, at your own pace. When you begin supporting your body this way, you're not forcing change. You're allowing it. And over time, those small conscious choices can quietly help you build a healthier, more energized relationship with food. Thank you for watching. Bye. If this message resonated with you and you'd like support, I offer a complimentary discovery call. It's simply a space to pause, reflect, and to explore what may be ready to shift. If it feels right, you're welcome to connect. Thank you for watching.